Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Albuquerque. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there is address bar, type down capq.gov and enter it. And once inside this home page, at the top right there is this search here. Select there and type down ticket and search for it. And from here select this paying citations here in the top. Over here scroll a bit down again and in the left hand side there's this parking citation, select there. So from here, what you need to do is you can type down your citation number or your license plate here or your vehicle number as well. You can select any of the three. And after you type down, you can simply select this search here. And after that, follow the on-screen instruction. You can review the amount due. You can pay online with a credit or debit card. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation. And the court confirms that the traffic fines or fees can be paid online with an additional service fee for online payments. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.